Well, the weather's changed today, the sun's out, blue skies, no clouds, absolutely fantastic. Right, we're going to take a little walk today from the patch right through Veronica's, right down to Monkey Beach. We'll just point out some bars and restaurants for you. So come on, come with us for another little walk in Tenerife.
So we just started the patch with the Las Palmas 10 Hotel shops, and there's the Palms, famous Palms chippy, and we've got the Bell. Got to mention the Railway Tavern. And you've got all these different shops that you need. So you find all your souvenir shops, electronics, health, a lot. Span round. What a beautiful sunny day, clear skies, absolutely gorgeous, and it's nice and hot. I like it hot. Ooh, what ladies. Oh, some lovely outfits actually. I fancy a couple of them in there. I have to get something before I go home. And then you've got the Savoy on the left hand side. Absolutely brilliant food and value for money. Then you've got a souvenir boutique. You've got La Rosa's, which again is fabulous food and fantastic prices as well. So then we've got Medicina, medical place. Later, thank you. On our right hand side, we've got the Sol Bank with the Colon, which looks beautiful. Colon restaurant and cafe. The Boss shop. And then, of course, we've got Mrs. Miyagi's. Fabulous, fantastic food in there. Great alternative. Watchmatic, the jewellers. And then we've got the Wakanda. Food, cocktails, you name it. And you've got your Santander Bank on the end to get your pennies out. If I zoom round, we have PJs. Yay! Lovely to sit in the sun and while your day away. Absolutely brilliant. So this junction, if you turn right, you've got numerous restaurants, steakhouse, shops. So this is a brilliant day. Well, any day in Tenerife is great for walking, but it's beautiful. It's clear blue skies. You can see over there towards the sea. Even the mountains have only got a bit of mist on them. We've got various bars on the right hand side, a Romantica restaurant, your 24-hour supermarket, live sport bar on the right, there's another supermarket, and then of course you've got the Traveller's Rest. So as you amble along walking, you can stop at various pubs and cafes along the way. And next door to that is Leonardo's entertainment place, and all your sports as well. Absolutely brilliant. Absolutely gorgeous, and we're coming up to a junction in a minute, but if I pan round, look at that blue sky. Wow, absolutely brilliant. And then we're coming up to another restaurant on the left hand side, which is like your Tex-Mex, your steakhouse. Oh, that's lovely, that. It's circular, isn't it? Absolutely brilliant. So nice, just walk along and enjoy the sun. Well, look at that. As far as the eye can see, beautiful. And you've got your bar there, the beach bar. Well, here we go. Here we go. Ambling along. It's beautiful out here. So beautiful. Oh, there's another shop, Fun Grub. Shopping in paradise. Hotel Troya, part of it again. And you've got your steakhouse there. I have to turn around to the left because it's absolutely gorgeous. Like I say, it's a brilliant walk from the patch down to past Veronica'S. It's absolutely brilliant. Have a look. It's a catamaran in the distance. And then you've got all your bars and your shops again on your right hand side. Lamborghini wines. Oh, Palm Beach Shopping Centre. You've got lots of things, lots of places to go and do. Absolutely brilliant. And we're just coming up now to Kong, which looks fabulous. I'm just going to pan to the left so you can see the sea again. Catamaran. Wow. What a beautiful place Tenerife is. It's good that we can bring you along with us and enjoy. Here we go. And here we're up at Kong's, or Kong as I should call it. Wow. See no evil, hear no evil, and speak no evil. Oh wow. Look at this. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous.
So we hope you enjoyed that. That was a nice little walk from the patch past Veronica'S up to the Monkey Beach Club. We're going to carry on a little bit of a further walk there. Now we're just sat outside the Shamrock with the waves crashing behind us, as you can probably hear. You enjoy your walk?
Oh, I certainly did. Lovely walk.
There you go. So anyhow, we're going to finish this one here, guys. Don't forget, if you liked it, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe because it is free. And don't forget to ding that notification bell. Because we like it when they do that, don't we?
We certainly do. And don't forget to comment down below.
There you go. All right, guys. We're going to see you on the next one. Bye.
Bye.